Let's be honest. Every year around tax time, it's like deja vu. You make good money, 95,000, 150,000, $250,000, but every year around tax time, you still owe money. You're not struggling, but you're not sitting on millions either. You're in a group that works hard, earns well, and pays a lot. Here's the truth. According to the IRS, people earning between $95,000 and $400,000 make up less than 20% of all taxpayers. And that group pays the most in taxes. So face it, you're paying taxes anyway. So here's the question. Are you going to pay taxes and let that money go where you decide or where Uncle Sam decides? Now, we agreed that you're paying taxes anyway, so let's make it count. First thing first, who qualifies to set up a donor advised fund? Let's go over that first. Anyone can set this fund up. It just doesn't really benefit you unless you're itemizing deductions. So that's individuals, married couples, even businesses. So now let's talk about how to set it up. This is simpler than setting up a savings account. Step one, you choose a sponsor, like the charitable arm of an investment firm. Step two, they could be set up online. Most require a minimum contribution between $5,000 and $10,000. Step three, contribute. You can contribute cash, stock, crypto, or other appreciated assets. Once that contribution hits the account, boom, you can write it off. You get that tax deduction immediately. And that's the part that most people miss. This is why it's a tax strategy. You don't even have to know who you're going to donate the money to. You can decide that later. To me, this is what makes it better than just donating to a specific charity. Because once you donate to a specific charity, that's one and done. You could spread that same donation out. Here's the thing. Writing a check to your favorite charity, that's nice. But putting the money in a donor advised fund, well, that's strategy. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, okay, this sounds good, but how is this going to help me? How is this going to help my business or my mindset? I got you. In the next video, we're going to dive into how strategic giving can grow your brand, bring in new clients, and shift your mindset that will flip your whole money story. Share this with someone you know need it.